Assalamu alaikum and hello, I'm Ibrahim, and in this video I will show you how I use Google Classroom as a repository tools and management of my online learning material. Okay, let's get started. You can type Classroom at the browser and click Google Classroom. Then you will see a Google Classroom page. If you click the plus sign at the top, you can join or create a class. Let's choose Create Class, and then there will be a pop-up menu where you can write all the details for the class. Then click Create, and we will see the front page of the classroom that we have created. Now I will show you some important things on the Google Classroom. So this is the class code. We can share the class code with our student. We can copy the invite link and share it in email or WhatsApp or Telegram, and also you can show the code during the first class. There is an auto-generated Gmeet link at the header, and when you click, you can see that we can share the link with our student if we want to do synchronous class. Now I will show you how we create a repository of our teaching material in Google Classroom. From the top menu, choose Classwork and then click Create. You will see options of items that we can create in Google Classroom. To create teaching material, click Material on the menu. In the new window, you can choose whatever material you want to create and also link that you want to add. To add YouTube link, click Add the link for YouTube. Then you can paste the YouTube link of your material. Once the link is added, you can see the YouTube video from your Google Classroom. Now I will show you how to add a PDF file in your repository. Similar as previous, we need to choose Classroom and Material and then choose Add File. Once the PDF file is added, you can write the title and description of the file, and then you can also set the topic or the time you want the material to be displayed in your Google Classroom. You can schedule it at whatever time you want. Once the setup is finished, you can see the PDF file is scheduled for the specific time that you have set it for. Finally, I will show you how to add a link as your teaching material. Similar, we choose Classroom and Material and Add, and you can share the link. Here I want to use Miro as the shared board in the classroom. What you need to do is just copy the thing that you want to share in your Google Classroom. Copy it, and then I paste the link at the Google Classroom Add Link, and there you will see the link of the thing that you shared. Then I write the details of the link. And then, but for this one, I want to make it as a draft. So, and I save the draft. Once everything is set, you can see all the material that you have created on the classroom page, and at the left hand side there will be all topics, so you can see the topics that we have created, link, PDF file, and also YouTube link. And if you click at each of the title, you can see directly, and they will directly go to the page of the specific material. I think that's all, and thank you.